What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom. It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back again for another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. Before I get started, hey, y'all already know, definitely need y'all to smash that subscribe button right there. Yeah, one right there in my face. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you be notified of all future videos that I drop. Now, I usually do my sneaker cleaning Sunday, every other Sunday. Y'all already know. But, last weekend, your boy was on family vacation with my bike club. And, man, it was lit. I definitely appreciate y'all for checking out that video. And if you didn't get a hold of that video, guess what? I'm going to go and put that card up there for you. So, greatly appreciate everybody for tuning in. Greatly appreciate everybody supporting your boy. But let's get to it. Now, you already know, last week I used Crep. Well, I tried Crep for the first time. To be honest with y'all, I'm not going to judge. But for me, I'm going to stick with the Rejuvenator. I like what they provide. And for me, it does clean a little better. And you get a little more things with it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm pretty sure they have other products that you can use. Other stuff that you can use, like a whole cleaning kit. But for me, the Ultimate Kit is what I ride with. Now, you can get the Ultimate Kit. It does cost you about 120 bucks. But I will tell you, for me, honestly, it is definitely worth it. I mean, you get so much stuff with it, and you can definitely get a bunch of cleaning out of your shoes moving forward. So what y'all see here today, I'm going to be cleaning my UNC 6s. Got to clean these bad boys up. They're a little bit, a little rough on the edges, but we definitely going to clean these up. Look at me, man. Just being organic as hell. But the stuff that I have out is the stuff that I'm actually going to use today, because not only am I going to do a washing, I'm actually going to do a deep washing with the washing machine involved with it. So stuff that I'm going to be doing, first of all, I'm going to take my laces out, take the soles out. I'm going to clean those. You have your shoe trees here. Those are exactly what I'm going to be using. And we have the sneaker cleaning solution, which is what I'm going to be using along with these 3 brushes. So you have your soft brush, your medium brush, and your stiff brush. Soft brush, of course, especially using with suede shoes, you want to make sure that you use your soft bristle brush with those, because you don't want to mess up your suede on there using a harder brush. Medium brush is what I usually use along my midsole. So once I hit that midsole up, and sometimes I use a medium brush on the bottom. As you can see, these have been worn because your boy Mr. Rock no stock. I definitely rocks my shoes. So they're dirty at the bottom, but since I'm not going to clean the bottoms, is what I usually use with the stiff bristle brush, we're going to bypass all that. And once I do finish, I do use my sneaker deodorizer, advanced deodorizer, give it a couple of sprays off in the inside just because. And then I will be finishing it off with the water and stain repellent to make sure that my shoes stay nice and tight moving forward. When I do the deep wash, that's what this is for. Going to be using the sneaker cleaning laundry detergent. I have my towels here, and as y'all already know, I have my little white red bucket. Y'all see it? So, not to bore y'all anymore, I'm definitely finna get it on and go ahead and get it started. And y'all already know, I'm going to fast forward it so we can get one of these good old beats that I like to come up with so y'all can jam out with me. All right? Cool. So now that I got all that taken care of, I'm gonna put in the shoe trees. And I will say, man, I hope my boys win tonight, man. Play them Vikings tonight. We'll see how it goes. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all team is and what y'all think y'all team gonna do this year, man. You know what I'm saying? I know I got a lot of Cowboy haters. It's okay. Still gonna ride with my boys. Been riding since I was a little one. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Who going to the Super Bowl? I will say this. Give y'all some before and after. As you can see, these bad boys are kind of beat. So you can see a before and after. Maybe that'll be my thumbnail. But so, as you can see, it set it up pretty good. I do like to let the brush work for you instead of working hard. You know, let the brush do the work for you. So, you know, once you get all those good suds in there, let it work in. And you know what I'm saying? There's no need to press hard on it or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Just let the suds get in there. Let the brush and the suds work for you. Plus, you want to make sure that you don't damage your suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it. So once you've gotten all that done, I'm going to get the insoles. Suds right up. So once you completed that, we'll go ahead and take the shoestrings, dip them off in the cleaning solution. So the next thing you do is going to grab your sneaker laundry bag. This kit actually comes with 2 of them. There are 2 sizes on each bag. We have a full adult size, which fits up to a size like 14, I think. I wear size 12, so it's good. And then you have like the smaller size, where dental drawstring is at, where you can put like kids' shoes or baby shoes in there. All right. So I'm gonna take the insole, stick it back off in each shoe. Shoestring. I'm gonna put this shoe treat back off in there. Actually, take that out first. Then put that in there. Then put the shoe in, pull the drawstring, tighten it up, lock it, then tie your slip knot off in there. Then once you do that, sneaker laundry detergent, shoe, washing machine. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to grab your shoes, put them in the washer. As you can see, both shoes are in there. Then the next thing you're going to do is going to grab your Rejuvenator Advanced Sneaker Laundry Detergent. Once you do that, as you can see, there's a little measuring thing up here. I've already squoze it out to 1 fluid ounce because that's exactly what you're going to need. Take that 1 ounce and then you're going to pour it off in there. It's already pre-done. So just to get ready for the next one, I'm just going to squeeze that up to 1 ounce for the next round. Whenever I do clean another shoe in a couple of weeks. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and close your washer, whatever washer you have, turn it on, and you want to make sure that you're going to use a regular wash, but you're going to make sure that you use cold water. All right, so I'm going to keep that on light. We're going to keep the spin at, and I always keep my stuff on eco. I don't know how y'all do y'all washers and dryers, but that's how I like to do mine. And I'm going to start it. So until it comes back, I will see y'all then. So now that I've gotten the shoes out of the wash, they've all been dried up. Well, that just sounds horrible, doesn't it? My bad. Now that the shoes are all dry, the next step is to put the shoestrings back off in the shoes. And then I'm going to spray them with the deodorizer and the sneaker water and stain repellent. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these. Think about the Rejuvenator. What do you guys like to use, to clean your kicks or whatever? Like I say, I'm not necessarily promoting them, but I'm just letting you guys know this is what I like to use cleaning my shoes. So as I was saying, got it all laced up here. And lacing up 6s, that's hard work, man. I know lacing up 4s is hard work, but 6s, I mean, this little shroud thing is a headache. But, through experience, I already got it. So, hit it with the sneaker deodorizer, just because I like to keep them smelling good. And then, you always have that water stain repellent, just so you make sure that your suede is all done good. And you want to hit this. You want to make sure that your shoe does dry. I usually do it because I know I'm not going to be wearing it for like another week at least. And that way you know this is taken care of and your shoe is protected. And you don't have to worry about any more water stains or anything like that, because it will just roll off. So there you have it. Jordan 6, my UNCs, getting it all clean, ready for you guys. It's going to conclude another week of Sneaker Cleaning Sundays. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think about the music. You know what I'm saying? I'm always trying to throw new beats and stuff off in there. Sometimes YouTube, they be getting on my nerves and be trying to do copyrights, but you know, all I do is dispute it because I know better. It's not nobody's beats. It's stuff that, you know, I be coming up with on my own. I got a little connect for that. That link is off in the description. If you ever do want to grab a beat, you know what I'm saying, hit him up, let him know that I sent you, and he'll hook you up. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know if there's another shoe that y'all want me to try to clean or anything like that. I do have several that I do need to grab and get a hold of. I actually have some more Pumas, some Reeboks, some Forces, some other stuff that I want to get clean just to show you guys. And that's going to complete another Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. Y'all remember, my kings stand up, and all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
We're stressing me, coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.